Operation Smile's mission and vision is to ensure that every child around the world has access to surgery.
We provide surgical solutions, in this case cleft surgery, to children born in resource-limited settings where they wouldn't have otherwise had access to that.
The expertise that we've accumulated over the course of time in patient-centered care and developing comprehensive services along with that initial surgery and those follow-up procedures has primed us to be one of the organizations leading the conversation in global essential surgery.
We've grown from a family organization to now being a global international organization that has over 6,000 volunteers, and our Excel spreadsheets really weren't cutting it in terms of tracking all of that data and really utilizing our volunteers in the best way possible.
We wanted to give them a tool. We wanted to create this database that not only helped them individually in each of their countries, but also connected them to their global staff so that we could all manage our volunteers together consistently. Hopefully what's really attractive to me and to the rest of the organization in particular, because one, they were committed. Two, they fully brought a whole team to the table, not just a developer, not just someone who knew change management, not just an engagement person. They committed their whole staff and their whole team to us.
So WIFLE brings a unique approach when helping nonprofits in that the empathy required to really make sure that our solutions are effective in creating greater impact is the most important piece. It's about understanding every beneficiary's journey, whether it be a volunteer or somebody receiving care.
We talk about the why and raise awareness of the system first, and then we move into helping people understand how it's going to help them. And you're answering the what's in it for them question. You know, why should I disrupt my work life to use this new system? And if you don't answer that question in the beginning, they aren't going to use it, or they're going to resist using it because they're worried about not being able to be effective in their jobs. Operation Smile did a wonderful job of addressing that up front and moving forward with the implementation.
The global volunteer management system that's being implemented with Operation Smile is part of a much larger engagement with Microsoft Philanthropies and a structure called the Common Data Model. The work that we're doing with Operation Smile and other nonprofits, we're contributing to this common data model for the organizations that are looking to get started to be able to propel themselves further than they would have on their own.
The feedback that came back was, oh my gosh, Operation Smile is out of the 70s. We're so excited.
Our country teams have all of their volunteers in one platform, and then they can see the snapshot of how many volunteers they have, how many are in training.
They feel like it was really built for them, which is great because it was. And it seems like it's meeting a lot of their needs that they've been waiting to, have solutions for a long time.
A major part of why working with WIFLE was so great, why working with partners similar to them are so great, is because our values align very well. WIFLE believes in teamwork, integrity, perseverance, excellence, and those are all values in which we truly care about here.
We're committed to making our clients successful in whatever their mission is. So if our clients are successful in achieving their objectives, their mission, then we're successful as an organization in our goals as well.
It was co-effort. There was Operation Smile people in the room, there were WIFLE people in the room, and the collaboration was as high as I've ever seen it. And I think from my experience doing consulting for many years, that's the key to making these projects successful.
It's important that we're constantly listening to either new technologies or methods or changes in political climate or things that may affect our ability to make impact. But both Operation Smile and WIFLE are well aligned to that, and their continual learning process is really attuned to listening and being sure that if there's things that are changing or better ways to do things, that those are brought into the solutions that we're producing.